649, let's fucking go. So in the data by system section within the top level data, we made some mistakes. So this lookup table here needs to be a signed 32-bit integer. Then, because we're idiots, we're also going to check the capacity of both of our lookup tables. Down here in the file 196 function section within the high level load section within our loader function, we have added variables for the clone stamping variables, menx and my. This is the surface normal vector on the Nicolas Cage. It is a vector. It's 2 components, so this was fucking wrong. But this was actually okay. This right here, that was okay. But this was fucked up, so we fixed it. We created a bug here. This was okay. Okay, next section. So down here, we have dopixu. That stands for door pixels, uint32. It is a pixel taken out of one of these rectilinear door sections on RGBA 196, which is this image right here. Okay, let's go down further. So within our clone stamping loop, where we loop through each clone stamp that's going to project further and further away from the surface of the Nicolas Cage to create the doorway interior, we're going to extract menx and menY. We're going to extract the magnitude. And this is a monkey wrench macro. And then down here, we're going to combine the direction vector and the magnitude together to get an offset, mamx and mamy. And then we're going to loop through every relative coordinate in our doorway rectangle. And notice that this is set to -1 here, because we're going to increment it. So we need to make sure we're going through in scanline order, otherwise this will fucking break. We're going to get the byte address of the door pixel that we are interested in. And then we need to take that door location, that door pix location, and we need to make it local to the center of a room, and then we need to project a certain distance away from that room in our level so that we can set down a tile that's in the interior of our hallway. So room local X, room local Y, that's the tile that we want to set down. Or the address of the tile we want to set down. We're going to make sure it's between 0 and 64 -1 inclusive. We'll do our tile setting in a different video. And then down here is what we did previously. You got our footnotes and stuff. And then we have what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here because we do not have time on here. So go to Ninja Coder if you want a longer explanation. The ways of getting a hold of me are here. And the source code is here. Like, subscribe. I am making a game engine from complete fucking scratch. Like and subscribe. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm a little bit crazy. Like and subscribe.